In this video, we'll have a look at updating plugins. From time to time, plugins and brackets may need to be updated. You will know a plugin needs to be updated because the plugin extension manager on the right will turn green. When it turns green, go to the extension manager by clicking on it. Here you will see a number in the installed tab indicating how many plugins have updates. I recommend that you update your plugins as frequently as possible, as plugins tend to contain bug fixes, security fixes, and other useful patches that will help you do your programming. Click Update to update the plugin. It will download from the internet, and when it's finished, press Close. Now press Close, and brackets will usually ask you to restart. Click Update Extensions and reload. And now your brackets has been updated. With some plugins, you'll get an update showing the changes that have occurred.